Hey everybody, I wanted to come on really quick just to share some key things that are absolutely essential for the health of your hair during these cold winter months. So the first thing, and I'm just going to share a few so that I don't have a long video, I want to get right to the point on this. So the first thing that I recommend is hot oil treatments. Shining Star from Uncle Funky's Daughter can be used for hot oil treatments. I'm not sure if you knew that. Here are some benefits for hot oil treatments. One thing that it does is help to combat dry scalp. Yep, it helps you to fight dry scalp as well as dandruff. If you're dealing with excessive amounts of dandruff, you definitely want to include a hot oil treatment in your hair care regimen. And lastly, what it does is helps to promote hair growth. By applying the hot oil and massaging it in, it stimulates your blood flow of your scalp and then promotes the healthy hair growth. So you definitely want to include that. So the second thing that you want to do is make sure you're keeping up with your deep conditioning treatments. And for that, I like to use the Heal and Renew from Uncle Funky's Daughter. I've seen such an improvement in my hair and the moisture that my hair is able to retain from using this product for my deep conditioning treatments. I do this every wash day. I was before just doing it about once a month, but with it being colder outside as well as me coloring my hair, I definitely want to make sure that I'm deep conditioning more often. So every wash day, I'm using this product, and I've seen a drastic improvement in how soft my hair feels, and the hair is nice and moisturized. So definitely want to include this in your regimen as well. And then the third thing that I want to share with you is because I know we're in protective style season as well, and oftentimes we neglect to moisturize our hair. So I recommend you using the Thirsty Curls. Thirsty Curls is a leave-in conditioner that you can easily spritz on your braids, on your twists, or whatever your protective style may be to make sure that your hair is moisturized even while it's in its protective style. The last thing you want to do is take your protective style out and your hair feels so dry and it's brittle and it starts to break because you did not moisturize while you had your protective style in. So if you want to retain the length that you're getting from using or putting in your protective style, you definitely want to use a nice leave-in conditioner like the Thirsty Curls. Also, the fourth thing and the final thing that I'll share with you is because we're getting ready to get in the gym and we're starting off the year right, I want you to know that you don't have to worry about how am I going to get my scalp clean? How am I going to remove the sweat buildup? Uncle Funky's Daughter has you covered there as well. You can use the defunk. Just by spraying this on your scalp and massaging it in, it helps to relieve your hair of any sweat buildup or product buildup that you may experience while you're going to the gym and you're wearing your protective style. So definitely want to add these 4 products to your hair care regimen during the colder months and even beyond that. You don't have to just use them in the colder months, but definitely want to make sure that you're including these steps in your hair care regimen while it's cold outside. And I have some great news for you. Before I close out the video, I want you to know that by using the discount code SAMITRA, that's SAMITRA discount code, you can get 15% off your order if you go on to UncleFunky'sDaughter.com, check out using discount code SAMITRA and get 15% off so that you can make sure you have all of these products added in your regimen. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. As always, love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!